Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $500 a day. And if this is your first time of watching my YouTube video, please click on the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to get the latest of my video. And after the break, I'll be showing you how you can earn 20 to 50 and $500 a day. See you in a short break. A day. See you in a short break. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $500 a day with a website called Influencersearn. Influencersearn is a platform in which you sign up, you get $25, and once you refer to a friend you get $10, and per clicks to your links you get $1. And imagine you referring to a friends of 50 person, you get $500 a day. And once you complete all the tags and everything, I'll be showing you in the description below. And all that, you get some tags are there, you fill in the tags, you get $10, $20. Once you reach the minimum of $250, you can cash out. And once you cash out, it goes straight to your PayPal, your Skrill, your Payoneer, and all that. Not just that, I'm sorry, but the website, you can't just go there and sign up. You need to get someone to refer you, and the referral link is in the description below. Just go down to the description below. The first link you see down here is where you can get sign up. Please do this quick. Sign up and get started. The registration is going on. And you just have to go down to your Chrome. Wait for your Chrome to load. After that, you just have to go down. This is the sign up button. Once it loads, you just have to fill in the space. You can see it. Sign up, you get 25. You got $25 to sign up. After that, you fill in your details. You accept this and then click on register. After that, then you have to log in. Then go to a site like this and log in. Once you log in, see you get $2 every person that clicks on your links, an extra $10 when they join the Influencersearn. What you are going to wait for get to work. Okay, you can see how you are earning. This is it. These are the top earners: $2,000, $2 million. Then you click on that three details. Then here you enter. Here you give us. You'll be given some tags. Once you finish the tags, in this tags you can earn $20 to download this app. This other one $20. Then you stay in the apps for 30 minutes. After that, you just have to run survey, quick survey. This one is win prize. This one is complete survey. quiz david quiz david sporty bunny. You can find any bunny for $40. After that, you just have to go to your refer button. Once you refer, you will make up to the money. Once you click on that button, it's copied. Then you take it to wherever you want it to be shared to. Look at the recent earnings: $710 paid 13 seconds ago. After that, you can submit your YouTube and everything. Then this is your cash out. Once you want to cash out, the minimum is $25, and you can just request for $250. Then you cash out. Easy. First of all, in these tips, you see your tax 0%. Now I've reached my 50% and all that. So this is how it is. Reward center and all that. Look at the payment proof. Payment proof. Influencersearn. All these are the people that have been paid. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and like, then get the latest of all my videos. Thank you.